When it comes to protecting your home in Lafayette, choosing the right windows is just as important as selecting strong doors and reliable locks. While many homeowners focus on aesthetics and energy efficiency, security should also be a top priority. Casement windows offer an excellent combination of style, performance, and enhanced safety, making them a smart choice for homeowners who value both comfort and peace of mind. Here's how casement windows provide superior security for homes in Lafayette. A design that naturally enhances security. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward using a crank mechanism. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, which move along tracks, casement windows seal tightly when closed. The sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a strong, compression-based seal. This design makes it difficult for intruders to pry the window open from the outside. Because there are no exposed tracks or lifting points, forced entry becomes significantly more challenging compared to other window styles. Multi-point locking systems. Modern casement windows are equipped with advanced locking mechanisms that engage at multiple points along the frame. These multi-point locks distribute pressure evenly, securing the window tightly when closed. Benefits of multi-point locking systems include increased resistance to forced entry, improved structural stability, a tighter seal that enhances both security and energy efficiency. For Lafayette homeowners, this added layer of protection helps safeguard their property and loved ones. Concealed hardware for added protection. Another key security advantage of casement windows is their concealed hardware. The locking mechanisms are embedded within the frame and cannot be easily accessed from the outside. Unlike traditional window locks that may be visible and vulnerable, casement window locks are protected within the structure of the window. This design minimizes tampering and provides an extra level of security. Impact-resistant glass options. Casement windows can be customized with laminated or impact-resistant glass, which offers enhanced protection against break-ins and severe weather. Laminated glass features a durable interlayer that holds the glass together even when struck. This type of glass resists shattering upon impact, prevents easy access through broken panes, adds strength during storms or high winds. In Lafayette's climate, where storms and heavy rains are common, impact-resistant glass provides both safety and durability. Tight seals reduce vulnerabilities. Because casement windows close tightly against the frame, they eliminate many of the gaps that intruders might exploit. The compression seal not only improves energy efficiency but also strengthens the overall security of the window. A tightly sealed window reduces the risk of forced entry and helps protect your home from external elements, including moisture and drafts. Enhanced ventilation without compromising safety. Casement windows allow homeowners to enjoy fresh air without sacrificing security. Many models include adjustable opening limits or ventilation stops that allow the window to open partially while remaining securely locked in place. This feature is especially useful in Lafayette, where homeowners may want to ventilate their homes during mild weather while maintaining peace of mind. Durable frame materials. Modern casement windows are constructed from durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames. These materials resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, ensuring the window maintains its strength over time. Reinforced frames add an additional barrier against forced entry, further enhancing the overall security of your home. Professional installation maximizes security. Even the most secure window will not perform properly without expert installation. Professional installers ensure that casement windows are aligned, sealed, and anchored correctly within the frame. Proper installation guarantees smooth operation, tight locking mechanisms, optimal structural support. For Lafayette homeowners, professional installation is essential for maximizing both security and long-term performance. Peace of mind. For Lafayette homeowners, casement windows offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They provide dependable security features that protect your home and family. With their tight compression seals, multi-point locking systems, concealed hardware, and impact-resistant glass options, casement windows are designed to deter intruders while maintaining comfort and efficiency. If you're looking to enhance your home's safety without compromising style or functionality, Casement windows are a smart and reliable investment for your Lafayette home.